In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Follow on Shop button from the footer in the Shopify Dawn theme. If you've been wanting to streamline your store's appearance or simply prefer a cleaner footer without the extra social link, then you're in the right place. This is a really straightforward process that won't take much time, so let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify site editor. This is your main toolkit for tweaking the layout and design of your online store. Once you're there, make your way to the bottom of the page. That's right, scroll right down to the footer section of your site. This section is like the end cap of your web page and often contains important navigational links, contact information, and yes, social media buttons like the Follow on Shop one that we'll be removing today. Now, with the footer in full view, you'll want to click on it. Once you do this, you'll notice that a new panel or menu opens up on the right side of your screen. This side panel displays various properties and settings specific to the footer section. It's within these settings that we can disable the Follow on Shop button with just a couple of clicks. As you explore these settings, look for the option labeled Follow on Shop. This is the button that, when enabled, shows up on your site offering visitors a way to follow your shop. But since the goal here is to remove it, all you have to do is find that option and disable it. Just click and voila, it's gone. You will see right away that the button disappears from the live preview, confirming that the action has been successfully completed. And there you have it, folks. You've removed the Follow on Shop button from your Shopify store's footer, giving it a cleaner, more tailored look. This little adjustment can help streamline your site's design and focus visitors' attention on the parts of your store that matter most, like your products and brand messaging. Before you wrap up, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that everything we've done is locked in and reflected on your live website. It's always a good practice to give your site a quick once-over to ensure everything looks just the way you want it after making these adjustments. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhanced your understanding of the Shopify Dawn theme's customization options. If you've got any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to dive into the comments section below. We'd love to help. Happy editing, and see you next time.